Okay, so I'm pretty much tap dead right now. There's that monkey. I need my shields repaired before this fight. And I want to get that bloom beer part and make the machine gun. Yo, monkey. Hail me, dang it. Alright. What's next? Go to downtown. Oh crap, I didn't get the walkie. There we go. Thanks for the walkie. Alright. Show after that bloom beer part. Wait a minute, I think there's a vacuum part here too. I think it's on the other side. I'm amazed that I kept this place good, and yet the other place is a disaster because there was more robots. Not just like 3 or 1 giant one. Here it is. Bloom bear part. Okay, it's a bloom bear. Now let's check this trash can. I think it holds that vacuum part. Nope, that could be it. Yes, motor. Wonder, can I go? You! It's Dr. Wily. They're gone already. Maybe I could have stole their parts to form the Wily Machine Legends. Dang it, can't go into Uptown yet. Let's use my new walkie. Oh, get your butt over here. Oh yeah, I need to go to the... No, wait, I don't have to. I can use that shop that's out in the fields. Alright, roll. Build... No, wait. Yeah, building what you can for right now. Bloom Bear Parts, Machine Buster. Alright, I'm just gonna equip it, and I want to upgrade it, because I want to upgrade my Power Buster that I'm gonna get next. Alright. Take me to City Hall. We'll be there in a blackout. And we're there. Oh crud, I could have talked to the monkey. No, not yet. Actually, yes, yet. Because after all that fighting, I don't want to do it again. Listen, you. I know you're good at saving things. I don't know your name, so you just save. I don't know, do people actually like Data? I don't know. I'm not one's favorite. I just tend to make it so that he's the only smart one of the all. And in the end, they all realize that he talks. Alright, we'll save these 2 fights for now, and then move on to the Mar.